Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling VoiceOver on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. VoiceOver is a feature that can help you navigate your Apple Watch if you cannot see the screen. You can use gestures to navigate around the screen and listen as VoiceOver speaks each item you select. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Accessibility. Tap VoiceOver. Now tap the toggle to the right of VoiceOver to turn it on. VoiceOver will tell you where you are on the screen. If you scroll down, you can customize the VoiceOver settings. You can change the speed of the voice and how the voice sounds, among other things. To turn VoiceOver off, you need to tap to select the toggle, then double tap the toggle to turn it off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.